Hi, today I'm running Lenovo Tab M10 Plus and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel shortcuts, and if you wanna just add here some options or remove some of them, just to change their positions here, you should click here to this edit icon and just here by hold and just drag it to the upside. We can add here more applications, more options. Just to add the option, we should hold it and just drag it to this up section. We can add all of this option if you want, just by hold and drag it. Just to remove the options from here, we should by the same way hold and just drag it to this down section. And if you want to change their positions, you should hold it and drag it by the same way. As you can see, there is just no problem to do that simply. So then just tap to done to save the changes, and that's it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.